Hi guys, it's Ashley. I am going to walk you through my skincare routine today, and then I'm also going to try to attempt a makeup look. Okay, so in the morning, I usually wash my face with this Tata Harbor product. It's the Regenerating Cleanser. After that, I always put eye patches on. Then, this is my favorite thing. You put it in the freezer, it's ice cold, and you just kind of like roll it on your face, everywhere. It's very good for early call times. And it just feels amazing. I can do this for hours. I usually take my eye patches off. This has been one of my favorite products ever. It's by Jillian Dempsey, who's an amazing makeup artist. She's incredible. And this just sculpts your face. So basically, you turn it on and you just go like along your face. And you just go like an upward motion. And it feels so good. I'm actually not the best at taking care of my skin. I get quite lazy. You know, when I'm working, I always like make sure to, wash my face and whatnot. I don't want to get wrinkles and like acne, so might as well start now. It's 30 years later. After I go all over my face with this product, another like little serum that I put on from Tata Harbor. So I put like a ton of moisturizer on all the time, like layer it, just because I live in New York as well, and even like in the winter and whatnot, my face gets pretty dry. This Tatcha water cream is unbelievable for your skin, and it always hydrates my face really well. So put that on. It helps also when you put makeup on to settle in. So that's one thing. Then I love like misting my face. I'm obsessed with it. I always have like an Evian mister just all over, just because I get hot, I get super hot. But then I also just, if it makes your skin look good, cool. Again, the glowy kind of look. So this is another product that I really like by Tatcha. It's a luminous spritz, and I just kind of put it all over, and it just feels like I'm at a spa. Another mister, I'm just like obsessed with it. It's by Tata Harbor again. It's just like a hydrating like booster. So I'll do this all over. Water is super important. I don't drink enough of it, but I try to, be pretty cautious of at least drinking like 3 to 4 bottles of water a day, which I used to drink nothing, like just coffee and iced tea, which is so bad for you, dehydrates your skin. So that's kind of it on my skincare. As you can tell, I like a lot of moisture, love to spray my face with a mist. So now we can move on to makeup, which I'm really gonna try my best to do this. This is my favorite foundation. It's by Dior. I've been using it for years. I will do a little bit of this. I use a brush. I used to use a beauty blender, but I lose them all the time. And then I kind of like dab it like this, just so it's like not like a ton of product. And I just put it all over my face. Yeah, so this gives like a really nice coverage without feeling too heavy. I hate when I feel like I have a ton of makeup caked on my face. Once I started getting into makeup, just being on set, like I would just kind of watch how they did my foundation or like applied any product really. And they would go all the way up to the hairline. And so I started learning that, and it makes a difference. After I apply my foundation, I usually brush up my eyebrows. I literally have not touched my eyebrows in years, like probably 12 years. I haven't ever like had anyone like wax them or do anything like that, just because I had a horrible experience when I was on a soap opera when I was younger. I was like 13, 14, and they would pluck my eyebrows and like wax them, and they did it, like they would do it so thin, and then there was times where just like it was uneven. So like I just do, if I have to like pluck my eyebrows or whatever like that, I'll do that, but just kind of do it myself. Another like kind of tinted eyebrow gel on top of that, just to set it. This is also like my favorite ones. If I'm gonna do an eye, like I'm gonna try to attempt kind of a smoky eye. This is just like a really natural palette that I use kind of on an everyday basis. I never use a brush. I usually always use my fingers. I feel like it's easier to apply that way, and yeah. So I'll start with like this here and just kind of go all over. I love getting, I'm probably the only person, I love getting my makeup done. For whatever reason, just because, you know, I've worked in TV basically since I was 11. So I'm just always used to being in a hair and makeup chair. But I don't know, I find it really relaxing. I love, like, I'm really weird into ASMR and like stuff like that. It just makes me feel like I'm at home. I don't know why. Then if I want to go for like a more smoky eye, I'll do this like darker one just in the corner here. And then sometimes I'll just kind of blur it. I prefer kind of a messier look than a polished one, just because, I don't know, it's more of my personality. My lips get super dry all the time, and I hate having chapped lips. Like, it's one of my pet peeves. I can't do it. This is a really good just moisturizer, and I've been using this for years because I don't like lipstick. I don't like any of that stuff. I just like more of a natural kind of look, and so this kind of enhances your natural lip color. So I put this on. Eyeliner. I'm not good at this. It's probably gonna look like shit, but let's try it. With eyeliner, I'm really bad at it. It's kind of a hit or miss, but I also don't mind if it's messy, like it's fine. But the thing about like these kind of eyeliners, the pencil can be really hard and messy. But then when you have like this little tip on the end of it, it just helps to blend and like kind of make it more smoky. Okay, so for a smoky eye, I just, like, that's kind of the goal. I had stopped doing like a lot of eye makeup for a bit because when I was around like, I don't know, well, probably like 14 to 19, I looked insane, like so pale, had like raccoon eyes. I would literally, like, I wanted to be Taylor Momsen basically from Gossip Girl. And so as I got older, like I started to see how you can make your, you know, your face look kind of more natural with, you know, so like for instance, like this is a little bit of a heavy eye, but at the same time, it's not too intense. After I put on the eyeliner, I go with mascara. That's another thing. I never used to wear a lot of mascara because I was like, I don't understand the point of it. Like a volumizing mascara, I usually always do. This one's by Chanel, which I've been using for a while and I really like it. But so I just do this. Depending on how much I want, I'll probably like layer on something after. After I do mascara, I try to contour. I try to do the light, very, very light, just because I don't want to have like brown streaks. This is a pretty natural palette. I only really use this one, as you can see, is kind of like more in. So I'll try and contour. I just go like this. Blend that out there. Then I'll go back with this with nothing on the brush. I mean, there's always kind of like residue on it anyways, and I just kind of set my makeup like that. I got this cute like little Charlotte Tilbury set. If I'm feeling extra saucy, I'll just put it like that. I'll do another spray of moisture to lock it in. With hair stuff, I always change my hair color. I'm either brunette or blonde. I've dyed my hair pink before. And then also I have extensions a lot. Like for PLL, I had extensions the whole 7 years. So my hair does get damaged. When I'm not working, I try to just leave it alone. I do a lot of masks on my hair, and I always have this like on me at all times. And I just put my hair in a bun, or I just let it air dry and put a lot of like defrizzing serum in it. And then also I carry this around. It's just like a small little hair oil. It smells like roses. Drop it in my hand like that. And it's just like kind of a really nice moisturizer. So I'll just put it. I put it like that. It probably looks like really bad in the back, but oh well, it's out of my face. Or I just leave it down. I use this oil every day. It's just like a travel one that I actually have in my purse. If I'm not really down to wear perfume, just because I don't like to smell like super strong, I just put this oil kind of just on my neck. And then I have a much larger bottle that I use every day for all my arms, my legs, and yeah, instead of lotion, I just use that. And it smells really good. And so this is my simple beauty routine and my go-to makeup kind of routine. I hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.